you see, all these hills are only occupied, not the low-lying areas. The whole,
Slope or top?
the whole top to bottom, I must tell you.
How
Top
they
to
how they
bottom.
live in the slope?
Yes, you normally they live in the top.
Top.
So because of the soil erosion, all these tools will come down slowly.
Then secondary.
Yes.
Secondary
In the
context.
below if you get, so those are secondary. But if you get in the top, in section primary. If you are not finding down, that means even it is not there.
It is not there. So it slopes are indication.
Yes, slopes are indications. Yes, slopes are indications.
You
I
have to
don't
go
think
top.
that you will find this much below.
Oh, শোনো
We have to go up.
ও মঞ্জেল বলছে যে এটা তোমার থাকবে টপে
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
এই স্লপে না এটা তো ইরোশন
না এরকম
In Tripura, what is happening? There are two river systems. One is your Khwai,
খোয়াই রিভার
that is in between Baramura and Atharamura. And this whole of Muras, that hills, are the sources of your Tipam sandstone. In this, you have the huge woodlocks. So those are areas where you can get good source of raw material. And wherever there is a perennial river
Yeah.
coming from the hill, either Atharamura or Baramura, anywhere. So in the junction between your perennial river and this kind of tilla formation and next to the hill range, those are ideal places for this kind of
because
roads.
people needed water.
Suppose this is your let's say Tripura, and these all are your Muras, that means hill. Some of the hills are here also in Bangladesh. Baramura extends up to your Mohanpur. No, Mohanpur is the Tripura and Bangladesh border, so it extends like this. It extends like this. So on the hill slope, there will be some of your let's say tillas. So those are important areas for your tools. And I am told when you extend this hill range up to Bangladesh, even there are tools in the Sylhet area. So traditionally, I mean, according to that parameter, you have to find those sources of water. Near there will be some tillas, and on the hilltop you will find lots of artifacts.
But this area is the Sylhet area.
Sylhet area, yes. But you said some tools were found here, no?
Yes, yes. Chakraborty collected, no, 2 bags, tools in 2 days.
From this area.
Yes, from this area, Lalmai Hills.
Oh.
You see the book. There is mentioned.
Yes, yes. But from
Mura,
where
Mura.
he has collected? Any specific mention?
না না
And he has given the name. Is Manjil's house, Sufi's house, Mokaram's
Acha.
tilla,
Ah.
like this.
এটা একটা বড় সমস্যা কি স্যার চক্রবর্তী স্যার যখন আসছিল তখনও এগুলি ওয়াইল্ড ছিল অত মানুষের বসতি ছিল না
হ্যাঁ
এখন উপরের অংশটা প্রচুর কাটিং হয়েছে
আচ্ছা।
গুলি হ্যাঁ
উপরে I mean উপরে
একবার টপে কাটিং হচ্ছে কেন?
স্যার ওই যে ইয়া করছে যে বন করছে কৃষি এখন সব একাশির বাগান মানে হচ্ছে নতুন করা
হ্যাঁ একটা শীত নতুন
ये देखो ये क्या है?
টুলস
না
ইউরিকা
Huh? It.
ইট ব্রিক্স
There should be a present habitation. If it is abandoned,
হুম
nobody.
why
Possibly that is the continuation. And last 4,000 years
Yeah.
or last say 3,000 years, normally too much of this, I mean, changes is not there in the landscape. So where there is presently people, you go there, check it, you are going to get things.
although these people are not the
Yes, I'm not
ancestor,
saying-
but
yes,
the
exactly,
habitation the favorable situation for habitation,
Yes,
that's why
yes, that's what. Yes, yes. These are not the people; that they are the descendants. I'm not saying that, but I'm trying to say favorable localities have been always favorable in the even in the prehistory.
these people are very intelligent.
Yeah.
Apple one.
And then normally you see huge woodlocks are where they are.
জাম করা
There are some.
জাম করা
তাহলে ওখানে there is possibility.
There is a possibility. There is possibility.
These are chunks are the raw material source.
Yes, in and around you will find no. Here too, I don't see any pieces, small piece even.
আচ্ছা বড় আচ্ছা এটা এত বড়
পরিটা খুলে নিয়ে আইসা
যে ও বন্ধু সারে দিন নিন কেমনে গাড়ি দিয়ে না চল আসতে না স্যার
ও গাড়ি নিয়ে যাবে কোনটা
এটা কত বড় নাইডি দেখা দে তো ফার তল থেকে সারা আনে দি দরনা কিলো টিলা দাও যায় এরপরে তো আমি সারা রাতে দোষ খাইতে তোরে কামড় একটা আছে বড়
কলপার
Manjulji,
हाँ जी
all still traditional.
Yes.
The hearth, the fuel, the store room, see, all traditional.
all traditional
After 50 years, you will not find this.
হ্যাঁ
seems like an artifact this is an artifact and it has all the small flake removal from here and here also little bit of flake removal here so this is an artifact yes
দিস ইজ দ্য সিগনিফিকেন্ট
this is the significance and I think now if you look now here there are more possibilities of getting so if you get one indication then you should go on adding and then even from here I think yes some chunks were removed so this is ideal these kind of sandy formations are not very suitable these are so I don't think that these are habitational layers these are just some sand habitational this is simply your river depositions so we need to go up and then see there so I think that's the most suitable
জামুরা রাস্তাটা আমি দেখছি যে বর্ষার সময় ওটাতে পানি নামে
হ্যাঁ,
ওখানে যদি
হ্যাঁ,
ছোট
হ্যাঁ।
চিপস এন্ড ফ্লেক্স পাই
আর ওটা চ্যানেলও হতে পারে সিল্টেড হয়ে গেছে তুমি দেখো না ওয়াডিবারেশ্বর অসমুদ্রের গড়ের পাশে যেটা পরীক্ষা ছিল জমি হয়ে গেছে না লোল্যান্ড হিরোদা খুঁজো
ক্ষীরোদা খুঁজবো
তোমার
তারপর
একটা অগার লাগবে
আর বলে যে স্যার এই যে বয়স্ক লোকজন যারা আছে না
হ্যাঁ
এদের সাথে কথা বললেই যে পানি আপনাদের আগে কোন দিক দিয়ে যায়
আর বর্ষাকালে তো ফিল করতে হবে যে ডু
বর্ষাকালে
সাম
must.
ওয়ার্ক ইন দ্য রেইনি সিজন
yeah
দ্য ওয়াটার ফ্লো
yeah
বর্ষাকালে মনে হয় বললাম বর্ষাকালে ল্যান্ডস্কেপও ক্লিন থাকে
do they say consider this as Bajrakila also
ভদ্র
Bajra Pathor Bajra Pathor
No,
মানে হ্যাঁ no
দিস এরিয়া অনলি অসুরহাট
Surhar
আর ওয়ারি
Acha, those tribal people in Tripura, what they because they don't have soap, no?
হ্যাঁ
So
হ্যাঁ
this fossil wood is all tukraka, na? So some pieces they will use it as soap for rubbing.
বাট
Cleaning the body.
হার্ড না
Yes, it becomes soft, not soft. Rather than it will get polished even while using.
ঘুরে কি যাবো আমরা এখন তো সব পাহাড় থেকে বেরিয়ে গেলাম
হ্যাঁ
এত কম্প্যাক্ট অনেক জায়গায় বড় যেন লেয়ার
That means there was a river flowing.
কিভাবে ফুলে গিয়ে
That means there is a river flowing here.
the hilly river like this
Yes, hilly rivers are only like this.
only have to taste the depth
अच्छा सौरभ उसमें देखो patina, the small, let's say 1 millimeter, then very fine quality raw material. Very nice, very nice.
Is there any chance here?
There is definitely,
Here.
definitely yes.
এটা বেশি খোঁজো সৌরভ এই পাহাড়টা more pieces here, small pieces also. Good pieces. Is it flaking?
I think so.
Eureka!
I think so. I think so.
If it is flaking, then good. Industry. Big chunk. তো ট্রাক লাগবে সৌরভ এই রিউরিকা
ম্যাডাম করে দিয়েছে, আমার কথা বলছিল না? হ্যাঁ, ফাইন।
Are you confirm tools? Flaking is there?
Yes. Small
Chipping is there?
হ্যাঁ,
Yes, yes, yes. Confirm.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
100%.
100%.
100.
Chipping is there?
হ্যাঁ, they use it
100. 100.
হ্যাঁ
100.
flaking, yeah.
দেখি yes flaking is there no
Very clear. Very clear.
It-
And you see the shape.
হ্যাঁ shape
You see the shape.
Yeah.
And also very common to Tripura. I tell you.
আমি এই ফ্লেগগুলি তো
Scraper.
Yes.
এই
Scraper.
ফ্লেগগুলি তো স্যার এইভাবে বাড়ি দেয়।
then good like this
Yes. You can use it for scrapping purpose or any work.
কাটতে পারবে?
কাটতে পারবে তো হার্ড
আস্তে 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 করুন।
বাইসনের হাত দেখো
You should look for more now. And if you see that piece, the recent breakage, it is very fresh. And this is not fresh as like the one which is recently broken.
Yeah.
And it has a perfect shape. And all these are original surfaces.
Yeah.
And they have not done much actually. They have simply removed some of the flakes from here, and it has already a sharp edge. And they have removed some,
Given
let's
some
say,
shape.
some shape, at least one flake from here,
হ্যাঁ
and one big flake from here. Okay.
and
After that-
natural cut you will not
Yes.
find this type of flaking
Yes.
this cut
Yes, and you see, little bit of chipping is already there.
হ্যাঁ
The small pieces up to here.
হ্যাঁ
Up
মাথা
to
ভাঙছে
here. Yes. So this is a very typical feature of Tripura or Lalma Hill industry. This is a perfect tool.
perfect tool
Perfect tool. Quadrangular size. Perfect shape. This was the original your wood surface. It turns like this because woods are always round shape, no? So wherever there is silicification, so the other part they have removed.
Yeah.
So only the silicified pieces, the more silicified pieces are useful. So they have removed some pieces and then it is there for you. When there was silicification, no? So if there is 1-to-1 change in the raw material from wood to stone, if it is a good silicification happen, so you will get the good quality raw material, which is good for flaking. And wood is not very regular, no? It has different shapes, different sizes. So sometimes raw material doesn't form in a very proper way. So that's why you'll find lots of waste material in this industry.
waste
Waste, lots of waste.
বানানোর সময় নষ্ট হবে, বানানোর সময়
Yes,
নষ্ট হবে।
they will try
Not
and
suitable, not
not
suitable.
suitable.
Not suitable, yes.
Not suitable. Not suitable. So, and normally you see these kind of wood logs. These are broken in pieces.
this is also good
Yeah.
this part is good
This part is good. Now what they will do, because already you have one flat surface.
yes
Okay, and this side is also, let's say, more or less flat. So they will try to remove flakes from here,
then they'll
and they will get the inside that good black color raw material that they will only use. And all these parts, whatever they will remove, they will discard simply. These pieces are part of the smaller branches.
branches.
And sometimes if it is round or it's split, so they will simply use some retouching and then they will give a shape here. It becomes
already shaped
you
little
have the
shape,
grip,
little shape, little
so you can use it for any purpose. So these are your unifacial or bifacial choppers, very simple ones. Very simple ones actually. But if they wanted to make some good tool, they worked very hard unless and until they could make a perfect tool. Otherwise, they will simply discard.
Raw materials are available.
Raw materials are very available. This is not like stone. It is bigger than stones. When the perfect stone. Silicification is very perfect. So
you have more attention in around this.
Yes,
mount.
this is the perfect area for you. And then now I should also tell you, you also look for potsherds, small potsherds.
Thick.
Yes,
Thicker.
thicker. This cord mark, if you get it, it's okay. If not also, normal potsherds along with this you may get.
अरे बाप very big good sound এগুলো তো হবে বাবা অনেক শক্ত good 8th-9th century টেক্সট পাওয়া যায় there was a river called Khiroda and the capital city named Dev Parbat in around Lalmai people were looking for but nobody conducted any exploration. This river is silted. ওটা এখন সিল্ড হয়ে গেছে কিন্তু সেইটা খোঁজাই কঠিন কাজ কিন্তু যেহেতু রেফারেন্স আছে 1000 বছর আগে নদী ছিল আর মঞ্জিল যেটা বললো আমরা একটু জানি যে ওয়াটার সোর্স তো লাগবে আর মঞ্জিল কি বললো যে নদী থাকতেই হবে নদী এখন নাই তখন ছিলই খুব ইন্টারেস্টিং এইটা এই ক্যানেলটা
Earlier, the water always go through this,
Then we should go there.
and it makes the route.
Ah.
It makes the route.
You see how they are breaking. This was the most outer surface of the plant. Then inside, because there are layers, no?
Yeah.
If you see bakoli.
Bakoli, yeah.
This was bakoli.
Yeah.
All the tree rings, because of the tree ring formation, so all these things are like layer wise. If the silicification is not good, so layer wise it will get removed. But you will see lots of these small pieces in and around.
Yeah.
রাস্তাটা ওখানে বর্তমান নদী এটা মানে বিশেষ করে রেইনি ডেতে নদী পানিটা বের হয়ে যায় we can check this road
Yes, we should check this road. Yes.
this is as a canal as a road
Zamra.
Yeah.
together
Yes.
The full rainy season, huge flow also.
In this way.
Yeah. That time if we come with students, 4 or
Then-
5, we found the chips and flakes.
Yes.
Catchment is very big no catchment is very
Yeah,
big
huge
catchment
one.
Yeah, very big.
In few parts there is a waterfall also. When winter or summer,
see
they are different.
all the water comes this way catchment is big
This is the same landscape.
same soil formation
Same
and
soil
all these
formation.
things?
Same.
no hard rock over there
No
It's
hard
soft.
rock. Only soft, yes.
this type of soil
Yes.
শালবন বিহারে 7টা লিপি পাওয়া গেছে তাই না
Another piece.
Sorry?
Another piece.
Tools.
Possibility is there, but it has got eroded because some alteration has happened. This is, you see, very smooth. Let's see. Very smooth piece. Run. Eureka. Yes.
Wow.
This is it.
marvelous
These typical tools. These are typical tools. I tell you.
tools no yes
Difficult tools. So take a photograph and then. Very good. So now you need to look from where they are coming. And you see, this is the original part of the I mean the wood.
Original part.
Original part.
The main part.
The main part when it is breaks in blocks, no?
Yeah.
So they simply have removed one big piece,
Yeah.
and after that they have given the minimal working. This carving is actually this portion particularly is the original carving of the original tree.
Of the tree.
Of the tree. So you see. So this is it, and simply they have removed some pieces from here, and then it became a tool. Baramura, Atharamura, those big major ridges,
Yeah.
those are of tertiary period, you can say.
Yeah.
But these are not another very good piece, sir.
Is it?
Yes, this is another piece.
Is it tool? This is the cut mark. This is cut mark, but not classical.
No, this got rolled up actually.
Rolled up.
Rolled up. That's why the sharpness has gone. But you can still consider. The raw material itself is not good because you see
not
this.
good. That's why.
हाँ,
This part is good.
this part is good, and then these are all your patina kind of thing, or even the original cortex of the stone. So, but these are in context now. In a sense, you are getting in totality, no? These are part of some activities.
Yes.
So you should collect even these pieces.
Yes.
So then, when you make the story, it becomes easy for you to understand.
Right. বর্ষাকালে ওয়াশ আউট হলে আরো সুবিধা। ডাম্বুর করে দিতে হবে।
Actually, what I feel, sir ने जो हमारे चक्रवर्ती sir, he got the right location.
হ্যাঁ, got
So,
it.
that's why he could
That's
collect
why I could collect immediately many
immediately.
things together.
Otherwise, it's difficult.
Difficult, no?
Difficult.
If you not find the
He's very
places.
fortunate. As a pre-historian, he could
Yeah.
luck also.
Luck, yes, luck. Yeah, archaeology is more of luck actually. Hard work plus luck.
Hard work and luck. Yeah, tools are not supposed to embed it in a section. No.
Normally
It
you
is
don't
top-
get.
top
Normally you don't
and
get because
top and the slope debris.
and if you find in a section also these are rework.
Yeah.
Rework, these are from the top.
মানে it embedded in section once in a while.
Yes. These are definitely later depositions. And normally you will not get things below 1 meter. Yeah. These are ideal places.
Ideal place. Many pieces you will find.
Yeah.
These are rocks.
But we are going down. You are not going up. We are going down.
No, we're going up.
We are going up only. All these are discarded material. It's a clear flake.
But it's not natural.
No, this is flake. You see, some removal is here, and this is the kind of bulb. But the bulb was again removed from here. Actually, this is not a tool.
Not
but
tool.
This is simply
Flaking.
flake.
Because of such,
Flaking is an indication.
you
Yeah.
see, this is soft.
Industry.
So,
Yeah,
so-
you know, working.
Yeah. Mostly you'll get tools, some flakes, these big pieces of raw materials, and small debitage,
Yeah.
and hammerstone, and potsherds. Potsherds can,
Out of stone.
yes, and those are quartz. And this is normally those will be cobble, and these are not found locally. These must have got it from somewhere else.
Yes, because these are harder than this one.
Harder than
That's
this
why.
one. The lower Brahmaputra valley, it is more fertile for ancient history. And the upper Brahmaputra valley is more better for early medieval and let's say your medieval. We should invest more of our energy now in lesser known areas rather than investigating same thing in Harappa. What is left in Harappa, tell me? What more?
In Bangladesh, the most populous, settlement here during Buddhist time.
And I must tell you, I think this is because of fertile river valleys.
Part of the river valleys.
So without the surplus production, you cannot build all those Moinamati or Bikrampur monasteries. Who will give you money?
Oh, many.
the local king or queen.
And how many Buddhist monks was there? It
You
is
see?
7 monastery.
Yes,
So
yes,
local people fed them.
yes. And for that, the local people must be wealthy.
Wealthy.
Wealthy,
Otherwise,
yes.
how will they contribute?
How they will contribute? So the state has to be rich, and the main sources of richness is the agriculture.
Agriculture. That
And you
time
have the
agriculture.
fertile most soil here, which is the depositional alluvium of all the major rivers like Gomati is there.
Gomati is
All these river valleys.
So
So this is very fertile.
interaction, Meghna is there.
Magna is there.
Meghna is connected with Brahmaputra.
Yeah.
Brahmaputra is connected with Tibet.
Yes.
There is transaction.
Intertransaction. Yes. Yes. And things should be seen in a very, very, let me say, regional perspective.
Regional perspective.
है ना? And very similar kind of Buddhist establishments where they are in Tripura. Boksanagar is there.
Luxembourg, yeah.
Thakurani Tila is there. Pilaki is there.
Pilak.
Pilaki is there. Then Shamsundar Tila is there. All are very unique places. In some Shamsundar Tila and all Thakurani Tila, you have some brick structures where Archaeological Survey of India have excavated. You have all these beautiful terracotta sculptures are still embedded there, and they are very similar to your ones.
Yes. I saw in photographs in reports.
And today, what I saw in your museum, this Moinamoti pottery, some designs are intricately very similar to the Brahmaputra Valley, especially this stamped design
Stamp design with sun motifs and
with
other-
sun motifs. Exact ones are also there in the Brahmaputra Valley. Exact ones, these zigzag lines are also there. So these are very typical things. Actually, a historical archaeologist can actually find some links through this valley and the Brahmaputra Valley. So everything was connected.
Still, Brahmaputra Valley is unexplored by archaeologists.
Very much. Very clear links.
Yeah.
Buddhist civilization.
Yeah. Even these monks were also spreading the news.
Yes.
They were moving from one place to another.
Without knowing, they have not come.
Yes.
Pashan Khari is softer than Oshurer Hat. This is Pashan Khari. This is Oshurer Hat. There is difference. তুমি দেখো তো দেখি मंजिल जी almost tool.
You see, very beautiful terracotta figurine. Ladies.
And this is
This is only, rolled only.
rolled only.
Rolled only. Artifactual nature is not there.
No flaking.
No flaking. Nothing. But this is the terracotta figurine. So how come it is this kind of things are also there?
What happens sometime modern ethnographic study says modern people also they make horses, elephants, and this type of figure. But you have to check it properly.
Yeah, but I feel this must be older.
Maybe.
In New Year,
he
New Year
knows it.
festival, New Year festival. At present time also the villagers take the potters or tapa putul,
Still it is in use.
mother and child, horse, children with horse,
Yes.
bull. এখানে ওই যে পায় সব না জমাইছে
And any tool, the original surface of the rock is the
এটার পানি খাওয়া দাওয়া হচ্ছে
হ্যাঁ
এটার পানি খাওয়া দাওয়া করা
আগে এখানে পানি খেতেন
এটার পানি হ্যাঁ গেলে এটা ফুরে যাবে না ইংরার পানি আর কি
even in prehistory, it was not something like a grand area where anybody can hunt anything. No, the area is very less. You said only 15 to 16 kilometers. Suppose this is in hunter-gatherer community. How much population you can sustain? Maybe 200, 300. Not much. So you need to have wide context. And if they were hunter-gatherers, definitely they were in touch with the people who were in Baramura in Tripura or Atharamura in Tripura. So definitely people were moving here and there. They need resources. Beautiful flag. Flags are indications of the site being
Documentation is, if our
primary.
documentation is perfect. Documentation, data says the analysis.
Yes. You see, we have come much up from the first section. You see, उसमें कुछ नहीं था. There was nothing. So we have come up. So you find here.
Yes, yes.
কালকে ফেরে মা
আরেকটা সাইড আছে এদিকে অনেকটা শুনি একবারই গেছিলাম বড় গাছের লগ আছে
সাইডে খোঁজা দরকার নেই ওপর ল্যান্ডস্কেপ দেখা দরকার
তাহলে আমরা
সাইড বুঝে গেলাম
কালকে আমরা একবার যাবো যে হাতিগাড়া
Wherever we have been to all these localities where you have all these fossil tools, normally 0 to 35 centimeter or 30 centimeter is the mixed up material, humus material you can say. Then 35 to let's say 55 or 60, you have a compact layer of artifacts. Then you go deep down, up to 70 you'll get few more. Below 70 you hardly get anything.
ফিনিশ
After that finish, nothing, you don't get anything. Yeah, and wherever you get in a layer, you'll get plenty. Wherever you don't get, you never get. First time. This you'll always remember. These are very ideal. You see, those red soil, no? These are the most ideal places for habitation of prehistoric people. Okay, so I think if you look all the tilas, you are going to get things.
Okay. First we done systematic exploration.
Systematic exploration. Just roam around. Just roam around wherever you want. You just go. If you see something, mark it, pick up, check it, mark it on longitude, latitude, mark करके रख दो. Then at the end it will show you some kind of a pattern.
Okay.
This can be actually either paleochannel or any water body.
Water body must.
especially rainy season
If you come rainy season, you told this is the water body.
Yes.
আর তোমার prehistoric people তো
It is enough.
ये तो shifting settlement.
Yes.
Rainy season some places, dry season some places.
Exactly. They will move from here
Move
and there.
here suitable places. Not that they could not dig pond or river.
What's that?
Quadra, this thing is quadra.
Ah, very nice.
Good shape.
Yes. Good shape.
And one portion is already broken. This portion.
Well hammering.
Well, it's actually possible, yes.
Is it?
Yes,
That's good.
possible. Normally they will have this cobble size, but it's possible. You see the heaviness.
Yeah.
You see this sandy clay or sandy thing. When the river was carrying this kind of finer material, it would not have carried this thing.
No, it is. These are important.
These are important things.
And important means very valuable important.
Very valuable, yes.
Extremely important for far area.
Yeah.
Then these people had contact with other area.
Yes.
These people had.
Yeah. And this is definitely in this entire hill. We have not seen any
No, this
exposure
not,
of this.
no exposure.
No exposure of this. So how come it is here? This
It
must
is-
have got it from
is-
someone.
There is some sand, the other part, but this quartzite is not in Bangladesh formation. Quartzite, you know better.
Yeah. And sometimes modern day also what they do.
Modern day, this area is out of modern.
Out of modern day.
activities still-
Yes.
Still, this is hilly region. It's
Yeah.
a hilly people.
Yeah.
A very
Because
less
this part,
activities.
present,
Ah,
like
that's
6 years ago when I come, I don't see the whole house actually.
Oh, these are modern constructions.
Ah, yeah.
This is hilly now. This
Hilly only. Yeah.
Every day the hill is changes.
Yeah. And then these houses. This is totally made of mud.
Mud, yeah, mud.
And I tell you one interesting story. In Tripura, we were looking for this artifacts, and then we saw one abandoned house. In the abandoned house, half of the things were broken, and these are actually made in blocks. No, all these blocks.
I know.
So
This same type house pattern is in Wadi Bateshwar.
yes, in this old house blocks, there are in situ artifacts.
Oh.
Oh, so they collected
They
the mud.
collected everything along with this. The stone artifact has also come. They made the blocks, used it, and then we are finding
Yes,
in
same thing happened in Wadi Bateshwar. We find ceramics embedded.
embedded.
Wari Bodesh and Mostan also.
Masan also.
These are very interesting things to see. I think there are at least two removals. At least one from here,
I'm from here, yeah.
one from here, and at least one from here. These are very common thing. Little the chipping can be here, no? Little, at least this is very deliberate. This is very deliberate. You see, at least one from here somewhere. There is possibility, but this one seems to be your deliberate one, and then little chipping is there. So maybe they must have used it for hammering something or battering something. So these can be very useful. Or cutting a bamboo pieces. They're useful, no?
In absence of any knife.
In the absence
Or
of any
da.
knife, yes.
আশাফুল গাড়ি থেকে একটা ব্যাগ নিয়ে গাড়ি থেকে একটা ব্যাগ নিয়ে লাই ভাই প্লাস্টিকের ব্যাগ প্লাস্টিকের ব্যাগ ওই যে আমরা আলু নিলাম না ওরকম ব্যাগ একটা ব্যাগ নিয়ে আর স্যারের মোবাইলটা নিয়ে স্যার গাড়ি মোবাইল থেকে এসছে হ্যাঁ ওই রাস্তা দিয়ে নামবি যেখানে নামছিল ব্রাশ দিতে দিয়ে সামনের দিকে আগে দেখা
Yeah, these are the ideal sizes.
Small area, small tool.
This is so round. So round. Show me this part. Then pakka. Pakka.
এটা তো খুব ফাইন তুলতুলা এই জন্য বলছি যে তুমি যা পাবা ফেলবে না পরে দেখতে গেলে ফেলবা
Hammers are basically used for removing flakes from a core. So by way of hammering, automatically some battering mark or some pounding marks will get reflected in the hammer itself because of repeated use. So that's why that you can easily identify actually. You can see this and you can easily identify. And sometimes what happens, because suppose I have a hammer and the same direction they will not use. They will try to rotate. Because of symbiosis rotating or using area by area, so you will have a whole patch of area where it was basically used. So, दाग थोड़ा सा बैटरी मार्क जैसा दिखेगा. You can see now this one. I think this is supposed to be a hammer. You have antler or you have elephant tusk. All these are your soft hammer, and the hard hammer is the stone. So hard hammer, if you use, the flakes will be like bulb of percussion will be very deep. And when you have soft hammer, then you have flakes which are very shallow flakes. For final tuning and all, you need the soft hammer. ये पोर्शन थोड़ा सा साफ करो, ये वाला. This is the cutting edge. You see, and at least one flake, two flakes are removed, and originally it was detached. You see, so after that, very minimal working is there. Very minimal.
This is bulb of percussion.
Negative bulb of percussion.
This is negative.
Negative.
And that one the
Yeah,
convex.
Convex one. This is the positive bulb. Very minimal working, but it is an artifact.
Without heating, or it will not happen like this.
Yes.
Proper heating.
And I have some pieces is similar. Only here some retouching would be there, and that this is an artifact. Very beautiful artifact. You can use it. One toe is cutting down, no? That means the whole mitti kahan ja raha hai? Everything is going down there. Randomly walk. Never lose hope. You'll find something.
What happened? You have to carve with the vehicle. You have to come with some food.
Some food.
Morning you will come, start, take lunch, take some rest, again start, evening go back.
Yeah. These are like tabletop, you know? Tabletop flatland.
Yeah. In Lalmai, Monamutti, this is the main character of the game.
Chaklapundi. Sylhet area mein jo hai. Then you have Baramura, Atharamura. All these are part of your Indo-Burman hill ranges. And all these are actually running parallel to each other. And then actually if you see from the west to the east, it raises its height. So this is the lowest. And next one would be higher than this. Then next one will be higher. So it increases actually. So depending on that also, the river system will be there, no? Because these are not very high, so you don't see any major water flowing down. So that's why the river formation is not there in these landscapes. Only this rain gullies, because of the rain gullies, all these are forming, natural depressions are forming. Valleys are forming. These finished products also, these were basically tool making tool of either bamboo or wood. Very sharp edges, so you can use it for many different purposes. The bigger ones are basically used for maybe, hard kind of work. The smaller ones, like a small knife, no? You can use it in the kitchen. You can use it for making sharp sharp bamboo strips so that you can
Bigger one, you may always you will not find a small pieces of
No,
fossil wood.
no,
You may
no.
find a chunk one.
Chunk one,
And you
huh.
have to
break it and then
sweet
bring the raw material so
Right.
that you somewhere you make it.
Right.
And they were trying to do experiments, kind of what is good, what is bad.
Yeah.
So first they have to remove the outer surface, the cortex and all. Then inside the pure, the silicified wood will be there, raw material. So they can use it for making the tools. Some are very razor sharp ones we have, very razor sharp ones, very nice ones. But this is ideal, I must tell you.
These are
This is exactly ideal for habitation of those people.
valleys.
You have the valley, that side is also valley, and most of the sites, Tripura sites are like this,
Oh.
identical to this, I tell you, identical. Only the flakes will give you the result. Flakes are very important for you. Finished products, so it's okay. You can give them, okay, this is hand bag, this
Understand
is cleaver.
industry.
But to understand the technology, you need the flakes. So you need to find out primary areas where people were making some tools or where they were residing. So that is very important. Otherwise, typology तो कोई भी बोल सकता है. अरे ये हैंडेक्स है, ये क्लीवर है, ये स्क्रैपर्स है.
Similarity.
Similarity, so you can tell anything. It is like that, it is like that. You can always tell, but you need to find out the original locations, where they were making this, how they were making this. So you need to find out the primary things, and then you may be able to find something more interesting. For example, if it is a late site, 2000 years old site, let's say, and you have some tools which are more polished one in Buddhist sites. So who were making? Maybe these people were making who were residing in the hills. They were making these stone artifacts and they were taking from them and they use it for different purposes in the plains. So these symbiotic things you may find it, and also maybe while you excavate you may find some Buddhist pottery or any pottery, historical pottery in this
Because there
context.
was interaction.
There was an interaction. People will never remain isolated.
Yeah.
Be it in prehistory,
Yeah.
be it in proto-history, people are never isolated. If they think that we want to remain isolated, they will disappear.